Yo, yo, yo. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? There we go. Gotta look for my entry before I sell. Looking for a entry on sales, possibly. But I want a better entry, to be honest. Unless it breaks above my fair value gap like that, and this can become invalid. And we can have a look for maybe a buy above this area right here. Above that area here. Look for buys on a closure. A little look there, you're just seeing a little gap.
How much do you pay for rent in New York?
Just be patient, have a little look, wait and see. So now I'm starting to see like a little broke above this week to week. Possibly look at taking some buys on this breakout up here. It's not wanting to get above. Oh, my camera froze again. For fuck's sake. And I'm back. Camera froze again, my bad. So right there, that's there we go. Having that little breakout. 46 seconds left. Possibly get a really nice entry for a buy here. Obviously it closes above all these. A nice entry for a buy. If when we break that top wick, if we break it with this candle, I'll jump straight into a buy on the break because it's new 15. Just wait for that break. And I missed it, shit. It's fine. So what I can do is jump down to the 1 minute real quick. And wait for this. And then we'll possibly be looking at creating that there. Obviously I'll wait this candle to close first before this is valid, because this needs to be adjusted to there. No, so now that's invalid. If you have a little look, there's something that's going on over here, and if I'm correct, it should be this fair value gap. And if I'm incorrect in saying that's fair value gap is correct, and I've done that correct, which I have, we could still possibly look for the sells. We're not getting that closure up there. We're getting a lot of closure below the high, previous high. If it's going to close, that would have been the time. So realistically, I'm going to be wanting a sell opportunity to come up. With a little look on the 1 minute. You see that sell opportunity right there coming up. 1 minute started to die out from this push. 3 minutes died out from this push. We see how it reacts with this 8 SMA real quick before we jump into any trades. Because there's still a possibility this could come and close up. So this is a fair value gap. So is that 15? Actually, say we break there, I'm gonna look at maybe entering the sell. There we go. In that sell now. I have a stop loss just above the previous wick or the candle up there. Not the and now we gotta be patient. We hit the fair value gap, now we're coming down. There we go, in profit. It's still melting down. We need to come down and break out this zone down here. Personally, that's what I think we're going to be looking at doing. I think we're going to come and sweep the Asian session lows. What is down here? But we need this to melt down. I'm not liking too much how it's trading above this 50 SMA still. That needs to go below that. We're just sitting here messing around. There we go. Coming down. Below that 50 SMA now. About 10 pips profit. I just want to see it go a little bit past 10 pips profit and I'll put my stops to break even. There we go. I'm gonna look at putting my stops to break even now. just at my entry, my stops are. I want to see us keep trading below this 50 SMA. Be nice if this 3 minute could come and close just down here. Which is a little bit closer down to here. Hoping this 1 minute isn't gonna, there we go, that's what we want. Want this 1 minute candle to start pushing down here before it closes, but it's looking a little bit like it's not wanting to. You gotta remember this is a risk-free trade. Okay, we're getting a little bit of die out in this tiny push down. Or isn't. Okay, so this might now get stopped out at break even. Because it just didn't want to push that last bit it needed to push to keep it going. Was a bit annoying. Yeah, we're coming out to break even. There it is. Fuck me, 3 trades so far, break even. It's getting a bit long, I cannot lie. Just gonna start taking my profit. Fucking 10 pips at this rate would have been up. We just keep waiting, be a little bit more patient. There's just a possibility that this is just a liquidation grab, and I've just moved that. What I didn't want to do, and this is going to sell off, but obviously could still be looking for buys in this area, but you've got to be careful of this fair value gap, what is quite clearly shown. I'm going to get rid of that because we're not in that trade anymore. Don't like the 5 minute. I don't know why I'm on the 5 minute. Get rid of that. Don't like that. Come back up now. See how it's going to react around this fair value gap right up here. See if it's going to get instant rejection again. Also, you got all these wicks up here. But I don't like that 15-minute closure. Looks a lot more nicer on my broker. I would like to take a buy, but I just can't get over the fact of buying right here. Personally, I'll probably look for one more trade, and if we get break even or stopped, I'll call it a day, because I've had 3 trades, 3 break even trades, after all hitting 10, 16 pip. Okay, so let's just see, because this could now be invalid, this, there, see how it reacts around this area. There we go, see that rejection to this area, this fair value gap, this is a gap in the market right here, and this is where we could look at taking a sell. As you we see we're getting a rejection from the 50% mark. So this is why I've been taking sells, because you can see we've been hitting this fair value gap for the whole end of Asian session. To start a London session, we've been using this fair value gap, and now I'm going to be looking at taking another sell. This could possibly be my last sell, my last trade for the day. But if you do have a look at the market, you see we're starting to reject the 50% mark again. So if I get my trade ready just to take, I'm not jumping in it straight away. You got to bear in mind we're still on a 15-minute open, wicking out towards the top. So we could look at taking our sell on possibly next 3-minute candle. Have a little look at the 1 minute real quick. 1 minute is still up here as well, but it's still pushing down. So this candle could possibly close up here, and if it does close in the fair value gap area, I mean, I wouldn't be I wouldn't be scared to say no to buys, but obviously have got to be careful due to this area right here. Possibly could take buys, looking at targeting said area and also this area up here. You could have your TPs for buys if you want to take buys, but I'm not too keen on the look of buys right now, just because obviously at this area right here, if anything, I'm still looking at sells. It means to do that. Oh, so anyway, if we have a little look at this area where it's happening right now, we're still getting a bit of a push. We've broken this area, so if we break that top wick there, I'll look at taking a buy. And if we come back, push and blow and get closures back in this area, I'm going to look at taking a sell again. But if we break this area, like I said, this wick here, we'll take a buy. It looks like it's about to. It wants to. It don't. it's just messing around at this 50% mark. There we go. Breaking that top wick there. Let's have a little look at the 15. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not feeling these buys. That's why I didn't enter right then. Just because the area we're in right now is quite a known area just to reject. See this 15-minute now wicking out. Could possibly get a 15-minute flip now to come down to the downside. Validating this fair value gap right here, such as this. Look how it's rejecting that area right there still, when it could have quite easily pushed. This is showing me it's going to be sells. I'm going to enter my sell right here, and now I am in my sells. I'm going to set a stop loss on these sells just above that wick, and then I'm also going to set my sells up on here, which is, I don't know where they are. I think it was like here. There we go. Target this area down here, or possibly even target this area down here for 17 pips. 17 pips with a 11 pip stop loss, not too bad. We'll target this area down here. This will be the last trade of the day if it gets taken out of break even or stop loss. Because I've had 3 break even trades today, getting a bit annoying. Not liking this this candle. I want it to get below this 50 SMA right here. As soon as it starts trading below this SMA, we could possibly look at selling off right down to this previous like low. What are you rejecting right there? It's this little. There we go. I want it to get below this SMA. Come on, when you start trading below this SMA, there we go. Stay below this SMA though. I want to. You know. I was about to say I want to see the closure below the 50 SMA for the downside, but rejection was nasty. Closure's a bit shit too. Can't lie. Hopefully we can come down, just wick fill this. Fill the bottom wick on this one. There we go. Just gotta be patient with this trade. This trade looks like it's gonna take a bit of time, but as long as we can start trading down below these areas here, we're calm. There we go. There we go, below that wick, we're about 10 pips. See it push past 10 pips a little bit more, there we go. Gonna look at putting my stops to break even now. Nah, see, it heard me say that, jump straight back up, cheeky little fucker. Nah. We will be looking at putting them there soon. I'll look at putting them there now, just to make it a risk-free trade. I'd rather be in a risk-free trade. There we go. Still looking at 10 pips. Put that down there too, show that we're now at break even. Yeah, stops at break even. Keep pushing down though. I want to see this close around this area here to get the next ones come in, push down and take these lows out here. Some sort of rejection from this area, what I don't like. There we go. And then it's going to keep coming down. No, it's not. It's going to be a little fucker. Yo, what's good? What's good? We're just waiting on this trade still. Not long. Coming up to our TP now. And then I'll be exiting the trade. I just want to see it come down, break these lows real quick, but I might jump out now just to secure some profits. There we go. Coming down. Coming down. I'm not liking these lows, so I might jump out right here. Jump out there for a little $700. So there we go. That's another win up. 4 trades today. 4 trades taken today. 3 hit break even. And I didn't mean to put 4 for the wins. I can't lie, my bad. And we are about to hit take profit, I think. But I'm glad I got out of that trade there. Secured the profits I wanted. There we go. And we're going to carry on melting. And we're going to probably come down and sweep these lows right here. It's the trade I've been trying to take all day, but kept getting bloody taken back out at entry, break even. And there you go. That's about 20 pips right there, if I'm correct. Or just 0.3 under. We'll call that 20 pips. That's 20 pips right there. So we got the win off this fair value gap there is respecting. So yeah, that's what we like to see. And I'll see you guys. I'll be live tomorrow again around 7:30, between 7:30 and 8 AM my time, UK time. So I'm not too sure what that is for you. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, make sure to come pull up, come catch some bangers, and I'll see you in the trade tomorrow. Look, melting like I said. Melton, like I said, that's going to come and sweep the lows of Asian session right here. So then all the banks can order fill. But yeah, look at that right there. There we go. That should be up almost 30 pips. Alright, anyway, I'll see you in tomorrow's stream. Come pull up. Come chill, come trade. Yo, what's up, Peter Trop? See you later, bro. Cheers for tuning in, man. If you like, come in tomorrow. Come catch a trade with me tomorrow.